Hey everybody, this is Adam Weissman. I'm just going to walk through my React-Redux project called the Garden of Algorithms. Let me do a refresh so you can see the nifty little animation. Boom, goes through there. You click about. This is just basically about future improvements, that type of stuff. Using React Router, you can have a view over here. Nothing shows up here, nothing shows up there. Over here is create. The difference is view. These are algorithms that have examples. These are algorithms, all the algorithms that have preceded the database. So if you go back, let's go back to view. If we click, let's say, binary search, it shows you these are the koans that have come up with it. And really quickly, a koan is like this Zen thing. It's like, what is the sound of one hand clapping? Well, obviously there's no sound, but it's just sort of like these paradoxical things, and that's how I feel a lot of times when I'm working through some of the data structures and algorithms. So the purpose of this app essentially is that the user will create koans, or koans, I think is how you say it, to basically kind of improve their understanding of certain algorithmic things. So there's nothing really useful here right now. You can see the content is over here. It populates when you click it. If you click bubble sort or whatever, these are just the ones with the examples. Very quickly, another feature of this is that the database is self-cleaning. So the only examples that will populate are ones that have been in the system for less than 48 hours. It's kind of part of the Zen theme about the impermanence of life, reality, whatever. Okay, so, oh, by the way, yeah, the data persists. See this over here? I click about, now I go back to view. Oh, it's still here. Okay, now let me just, for the sake of argument, so insertion sort. So I want to show that you this one in particular because there's a feature, well, it's not really a feature, it's more of a bug, but it will give you a sense of what I plan to do. So this is insertion sort. So if you go to create, so what we're going to do is we're going to create something on insertion sort. Boom. Oh, it's a cool animation using Animate CSS. Thanks to Nia Willis, who told me about that. I found it on LinkedIn. His awesome portfolio. So name your cone. So this is Insertion Sort Tuesday. This is some content for now because I'm not really entering the con. All right, cool. So you click submit and submits it to the database. Returns to here. This is something that I will update to have a special thank you message, maybe something a little funny like, oh, you know, the sound of one hand applauding you. And then when you come back over to here, view, see, it shows you just the one. And what I would like to do is have it so you don't need to click insertion sort again for it to show. It should just show up. But that's a feature that I intend to add once I go and implement a Node.js backend. That is pretty much it. I think that those are all the features. Again, this is you could see in the view, create. So that's the illusion of a multi-page thing. And I could have made this say about, but I was just treating this as home. That's it. The end. Thank you.